See, this might be a new discovery. That's the lawn mower. See, we took a nap while Mommy was mowing the lawn, huh? Frankie, what do you don't like the lawn mower? Frankie. Hey, buddy. No, that lawn mower is fun, fun, fun. Boy. All the opportunities there, huh? It's interesting. It's interesting. Frankie. What about the weed whacker? Ooh, see, that was a point of interest earlier. Here, Frankie, look. What's that? That's a weed whacker. You gonna get it? You're gonna get it? See, that one is fun, fun. Boy. Oh, boy. So we like to pick up things off the ground like a puppy, huh? Huh, Hank? He definitely challenges Hank, that's for sure. Hank sets him straight, typically. He's good about it, huh, Hank? A lot of patience. Puppy patience. Oh. What you got there, Frankie? You got something? Oh, yes you do. See, you got a stick or something. What's in there? What's in there? What you got in there? Frankie, be careful. You're going to get your head stuck. Hey. Oh, he's after grass. See, you're going to get your head stuck. Gee, Hank. Frankie's learned one step up. He kind of gets that. But he can't get into the next one. It's a little high for him. See, I think that'll change, though. Huh. 'Cause you're a growing boy. You're a growing boy, aren't you, Frankie? You're a growing boy. What you smelling there? No, no. Hey, shh, we're not biting at screens. Oh, you gonna sit there? That's your favorite. Seems to be a good place to sit, huh? Okay. Frankie, say goodbye. Hanky, say goodbye to the camera. Say bye-bye.